Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use OpenArt for Etsy video mockup. So first and foremost, you need to log in to your OpenArt AI, and I strongly suggest to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock features right here. So go to OpenArt and decide on your Etsy product. So if you want to sell mugs, coffees, posters, banners, shirts, jewelry, stickers, choose how would you like it to display. Now, what you're going to do is you have to create or upload your product design. So once you have your design here, you can go to image to video or text to video here, as long as you have enough credits or enough coins to generate a video. Then you have to paste the prompt. For example, for the video for your Etsy mockup, you can just basically create a prompt such as digital art, print, a stylish desk, 10-second loop video, soft natural lighting, cozy aesthetic, or so on. You can ask ChatGPT for this one. Coffee mug with custom logo, animated spinning, photorealistic studio lighting. Everything is up to you. Now, in OpenArt, you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this text to video or image to video and to create a good mock-up for your Etsy. However, I just have to show you what it looks like. So if you want to generate a picture first, image first, yes, you can, but also limited credits, limited access. So, for example, if you want to choose this for your Etsy or for your Etsy product, you can just download this one and then again upgrade your plan for you to use the image to video, upload this image or picture, and then convert this to video using the OpenArt. And basically, this is what it looks like. And you can ask more, you can do more for this. Just input the correct prompt in OpenArt AI and then download the video here and go to your Etsy, upload your product. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can just basically export and upload this. You can use realistic backgrounds to showcase product naturally, highlight the key features of your item, keep videos short, clean, and visually appealing for Etsy shoppers. Experiment with different angles or animation to make your product stand out. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.